Whew, I am sweating out here, y'all. I am tired, end of my work day, but I said we were gonna start on the Chevelle, so I had to get it moved, and it is moved. So here it is. Has been in storage in the back forever, but we're gonna get it going, get this thing going now. So I think what I first might start off on will, for some reason, so this ignition never had a key, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Either I put it back on accident when I painted this whole thing, or I'm just gonna have to open it up and take that out. So because I couldn't get it to turn since the ignition was locked, so I had to basically take the coupler off and all that. I forgot what that thing is called. Anyways, I had to undo that and take it off in order for us to kind of turn it manually by hand with the wheel. So that's kind of BS, but yeah, I gotta figure that out. But I mean, the whole inside is pretty much coated and everything. So what I'll probably start doing first is attacking this tank. So we have this tank out of a 94 to 96 Buick Roadmaster. Supposedly some people used to be able to, or have swapped them in the past. So I'll probably figure that out and see how I can mount that up. I have the original gas tank straps that I purchased from Rock Auto, so I'll probably figure that out, how to hook those up, and then get those all going. So we'll see. Ooh, something's up with the rear end. I don't know if there's just not any fluid in it or not, but that's a Ford 9-inch rear end. I can hear it kind of clanking. I don't know if it's the rear end or something is bogging up on it, like the wheels or something. I don't know. So we'll see. I'll attack that as well. And yep, no gas tank. So this gas tank is a little bit bigger, so it might hang a little low, but I'll get that figured out as well too. So I was gonna put new body bushings in there, but I don't know. I'll look at them. Those look decent. They're not new, but they look decent. So I don't know. We'll see what I could do. But I think the first thing I'm gonna attack is the gas tank and kind of just go from there. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I am sweating and tired. It's been a long day. So, but yeah, y'all, be on the lookout for more of the Chevelle. Ooh, let me show you this. So